In this video, I'll show you how to use advanced filters in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to your workspaces. So on the left-hand side, choose workspaces. From here, this will be the list of all of your workspaces. And what you need to do from here is select a workspace that you want to work with. Let's say I want to do this within the development and pre-production. Click on that base, and it will automatically take you to the database. Now, as you can see, I already have set a filter. But within here, let's say we want to go to the pitches and we want to set an advanced filter. So at the top in the right corner, choose the second option, which is a filter. Now in filtering, we have here adding a condition. This is the simple filter where we can set a field, let's say for a name, contains, and we can enter a value. We can also do a status is, and then we will select an option, which is interested, and it will automatically show you all of the status that is interested. But if you want to add a condition group, from here, we can drag and drop conditions to combine them. So let's delete this. Let's add a condition group. First, we will set a name. For the name, let's say we want to do Hitflix. Now we will add another condition. And from here, we will set this to the status and we will select an option such as interested. As you can see, this is already considered as a condition group. We have two conditions and it will automatically filter it. And what we could also do is copy this filter within another group. So on the right hand side, copy from another view. From here, we want to do it within the upcoming pitches. At the bottom, copy the configuration. And as you can see on the upcoming pitches, it will automatically show you the filter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.